welcome back once again to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to how to import SQL to any WampServer. So basically make sure you have your WampServer installed. If you don't know how to, or you don't have it, I have a video in my list, so you go through it. I will leave the link in the description so that you can download the WampServer. Okay, so we double click to run and make sure check that the server is running. Okay, so we make sure the server color changes to green and show all service running. Okay, so now open your browser and search for localhost. Okay, so I'll search for localhosts. So I'll press enter. Localhosts. Okay, so you just click on, so it will open like this, and you click on PHP my admin. And basically, if you install it fresh, the default name is root and the password is empty, but you can change it. So just click login. Okay, so this is how it is. This is how the interface looks like. So if you want to import a database, first of all, you need to create a database. So let me see. I have this database, ExpenseDB. So I'll drop this one and I'll create another one. Okay, so basically I just drop the database. Don't worry, for you, if you open it, everything will be empty here. So you just click on new, because I want to create the same database. So I'll give you a database name, whatever database you want. So I'll give it ExpenseDB. Then I'll just click on create. So it's my database is created, but there is no tables. So what you do is I'm using what you call it, Visual Studio. I have write my codes. So this is my codes for my database, right? So I'm creating two tables, capital and expenses. So and then you save it in SQL. So there is it. All right. So this is my database. So I need to import this database file onto my WampServer. So what I do is, so if you have any problem creating this table, I think this is just SQL codes. I create a table, and these are the rules, right, for the tables, ID and all this stuff. If you don't know, don't worry. I'm just showing you how to import it. Yeah, let me know if you want to learn more about database, and we go through all this. Okay, so that's it. Then let's go back to our browser. So what you do is click on your current database that you created, go to imports. It's very simple. You just click on choose. So now you have to navigate to where you save your file. So I have it on my desktop. This is it, ExpenseDB. And the one thing, make sure the name of the file that you have saved here should be the same name for the one you created, so that there will not be conflicts. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so here's it. So this is my file. I have choose it, so I'll just scroll down and click on import. Boom, and everything is done. So you can see I have created my tables through this side, right? So you can click on your capital table, then you see what the structure. Let's see the structures. Yeah, I have how many? 5 columns, and as you can see, also the expenses table. So very simple, you get me? So this is how you do it, and then from there you can add your database, your information of data inside it. So I hope you enjoy it. This is very short now, and just watch out for my next tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can create a database scheme from WampServer without even writing this code. So if you're afraid of these codes, don't worry, you can do it by just using this system. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.